Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Mustang 6G. This is the 6th generation. You need to remove or replace steering wheel controls such as the cruise controls, or sound controls, anything that's on the steering wheel controls. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do it step by step. Now if you need to buy any parts tools for a really good price and quick shipping, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tools and supplies from. Number 2 guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So with that being said, we want to explain exactly how everything works guys. This is, the airbag right here. First, if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, don't do it, they can kill you. So consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video. Second, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before guys, messing with airbags, so the system can discharge. Third, on these modern cars, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect. First, if you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the electrical system as well guys. So we have the battery disconnected, but the airbag exploded already, so practically that's out of the question. But now we want to show you, what we have here. You will be accessing, I'll show you step by step how to remove it. Make sure to stay until the end. But I want to show you what we will be doing first. You'll be accessing 2 little holes from the side of the steering wheel. Check it out, you come to the side, right here next to the paddle shifters. And Allen wrench will be your best thing. I'm using a torque wrench, which is not so convenient, but it still works. And you have one more hole, on this side. Now, I want to show you guys, when I get that wrench inside here, there is one spring that you need to kind of like release. So you kind of like need to pry a little bit to the back. So the front tip can go, the tip can go to the front, because otherwise you'll go past the spring. So you need to go like right here, you can see. Now the airbag will be stuck there because that will be holding it, but you will need to kind of like push it in a little bit and then do the spring. So I'm going to go install it, and show you exactly guys, exactly how to do that. So let's go ahead. I'm going to push it in. You hear the spring, perfect. Now let me show you now what we need to do. Right here we come in an angle. I'm going to push the airbag in a little bit. I'll find the spring, you kind of like feel it. It can slip on you. And it came out. Now the same thing on this side. Kind of like feel the spring, push against it. Trying to find it there now. Let me see where that thing went, because it's a little bit tricky guys. It came out guys, right there. You can see it came out. That's how we do it. It's tricky because that spring can easily come off. Now the airbag wires, unfortunately those will not be able to show you, but usually what you need to do, you will grab that orange piece and pry it straight up. Don't use metal tools when you do that. Usually you can do it with your fingers, or with plastic prying tools, because you can explode the airbags. Ours will not come off probably because everything melted guys. Check it out. Everything practically melted due to the fact that that airbag exploded, and as a result it got too hot and it melted the wires. But you pull that orange thing up, then all you're going to do, grab them, don't twist, and just pull them straight up, and they'll come out, and you need to disconnect, couple more wires, and you're ready to go guys. You can see that's how you remove it, but the disconnecting part is the one that's really tricky on those. So for the steering wheel controls, we'll explain only on one side, the other side is exactly the same. So now first you need to remove the switch, the top switch, in order to remove the bottom one, because you can see how the top goes on top of the bottom one. So we remove them with Torx 20 star looking bit guys, right there. Yep, remove that one too, that holds both of them actually. If you need to buy any parts too guys for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below, and it will teach you, okay, where you can get those from. So working on that one now. All right, number 2 came out. Now let me maybe turn the light down a little bit so it's not so bright. Okay, now that switch itself, you grab it, guys. Okay, let's see here. You grab it and you pull it straight out. You do have a couple clips. Okay, let's see if it has anything underneath as well. Okay, to make sure that it doesn't have another hidden one somewhere too. So let us show you now, okay, what we need to do, guys. After you remove these 2 screws, you come right here, you pry a little bit, okay, you get the plastic panel remover too. Be careful. Here there is one clip that's actually hidden, that you kind of like need to pry down a little bit. Okay, and it comes out, guys. Okay, now next thing right here, one wire we need to press down, disconnect it, and that's your steering wheel switch. Now the bottom one, let's explain the bottom one quick. Okay, let's do that one. You just have one more screw here and one underneath. You can see you have one hidden one here. So we're going to go ahead and remove that one more here. Alright, and now this one should come out. All we have to do now, okay, disconnect it. Now this one is a little bit trickier, okay, because the wire is short, but that's how you guys do it. That's how we remove steering wheel switches. If you need to do that on a Ford Mustang 6G, if you guys have any questions, let us know. The left side will be exactly identical, but just on the left. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.